Hello students, welcome back. Stage 3, problem number 90 from circle. In a circle of radius 5 cm, radius is 5 cm, PQ and RS, PQ and RS are two parallel chords of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. This is 8 cm and this is 6 cm. Calculate the distance between the chords, distance between these two chords, if they are on the same side of the center, opposite sides of the center. Let us find the distance between them when they are on the same side of the center first. The perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. This is the perpendicular. This bisects the chord. Let the perpendicular from the center O intersect chord PQ at X and chord RS at Y. This is the radius. The perpendicular bisects the chord means what? Px is equal to Qx, Ry is equal to Sy. So if PQ is equal to 8 cm, then Px is equal to 4 cm. If Rs is equal to 6 cm, then Ys and Yr is equal to 3 cm each. We have to find this distance. So OY minus OX gives us the distance between these two chords. So what is OX? OP is equal to 5 cm and XP is equal to 4 cm. OX is equal to OX square is equal to hypotenuse square minus one of the sides square. Triangle OPX is a right angle triangle. OP is the hypotenuse. Therefore, OX square is equal to OP squared minus XP squared. 5 squared minus 4 squared. 25 minus 16. 9. Therefore, OX is equal to 3 cm. Similarly, OY square is equal to OR square minus YR square. OR squared, OR is the radius, 5 squared minus YR squared is 3 square. 25 minus 9 is 16. So OY is equal to 4, taking the square root on both the sides. OY is equal to 4 cm. OY is equal to 4 cm, OX is equal to 3 cm. Therefore, XY is equal to OY minus OX. That is 1 cm. If PQ and RS are on opposite sides of the center, then the distance between them, we know the distance of RS from the center is equal to what? 4 cm. Now this is OY. OY is equal to 4 cm. OX is equal to 3 cm. OY is equal to 4 cm. Therefore, the distance between them is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 cm. So XY is equal to 7 cm when the chords are on opposite sides of the center. So the distance between the chords, if they are on the same side of the center, is 1 cm, and if they are on the opposite sides of the center, it is 7 cm. Problem number 92. In the circle, O is the center and lengths of chords AB and CD are in the ratio 5:3. AB is to CD, 5:3. If angle AOB is equal to 100 degree, angle AOB is equal to 100 degree. Find angle COD. The angle subtended by AB is equal to angle AOB. and angle subtended by CD is equal to angle COD. The chords AB and CD are in the ratio 5:3. Therefore, the angle subtended by them, angle AOD and angle COD, are also in the ratio 5:3. So, angle AOB is to angle COD are in the ratio 5:3. If angle AOB is equal to 100, what is COD? 5 upon 3 is equal to 100 upon angle COD. 5 upon 3 is equal to 100 degree upon angle COD. Therefore, angle COD is equal to 100 degree into 3 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 into 3 is equal to 60 degree. Angle COD is equal to 60 degree. The chords are in the ratio 5:3. They are subtended by the arcs AB and CD. Then the arcs will also be in the ratio 5:3. Problem number 93. A chord CD of a circle with center O is bisected by the diameter AB at a point P. If OA is equal to OB, OA is equal to OB is equal to 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. That means the radius is equal to 30 centimeter. And OP is equal to 18 centimeter. OP 18 centimeter. Calculate CD, the length of this chord, and AD, this chord. Now the radius is equal to what? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. It is given that the diameter AB bisects chord CD. Therefore, P is the midpoint of CD. PD is equal to half of CD. The line from the center, the bisector from the center to the chord, is perpendicular to the chord. Therefore, triangle OPD is a right angle triangle. We have to calculate PD now. OD is the hypotenuse. Therefore, OD squared is equal to OP squared plus PD squared. So, PD squared is equal to OD squared. OD squared minus OP squared. OD square is equal to what? 30 square minus OP square, 18 square. 900 minus 324. Therefore, PD is equal to square root of 576, that is 24 centimeter. If PD is 24 centimeter, then CD is equal to what? PD is equal to 24 centimeter. CD is equal to 48 centimeter. Because PD is half of CD. Next, we have to find the length of chord AD. Now, in triangle APD, angle APD is equal to 90 degree. Triangle APD is a right angle triangle and AD is the hypotenuse. So, in triangle APD, AP is equal to what? Radius plus 18 centimeter. OP is equal to 18 centimeter. OA is the radius. So, 30 plus 18 is equal to 48 centimeter. And PD is equal to 24 centimeter. So, AD square is equal to AP square plus PD square. AP square 48 square plus 24 square. 48 square is equal to what? 48 into 48. 2304 plus 24 square. 24 square is equal to 576. So this is equal to 2880. Now square root of 2880. 2880. 5 5s are 25, 3 remains. Add this. Now 3 into 103. Add 3, 106. Now what? We can take 7. 7 sevens are 49. No, this is more. We can't take 7. Let us take 6. 6 into 6. Add 6. Now what can we take? Again 6. 53.66. AD is equal to 53.66, or we can approximate it to 53.7 centimeter. So AD, taking the square root on both the sides, we get AD is equal to 53.7 centimeter.